Alright, so we're with Grandpa, and he's making mac and egg.
I ham handy, but I have some bacon. Either put in bacon or ham. It's our favorite thing.
Mm-hmm.
And I got the bacon all made. Just gotta cut it up and put it in there. Okay, here we got egg, bacon, and macaroni ready to go. Get some water here.
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go. Can put a lid on the pan here so it boils a little quicker.
Mm-hmm.
So that'll take a little while. And then want to cook the macaroni so it's still just a teeny bit firm. We have to kind of keep an eye on it, that's all. Get the water boiling and we put in a cup of macaroni, or as much as you want to make. Cup and a half today. Then I'll have to get one more egg. Then we just kind of boil that for a little while until the macaroni starts to, you can tell when it's getting kind of done because it swells up, you know.
Mm.
And then at some point you just want to grab a little piece out of there and try it and see if it's still a little tender. You just don't want to overcook it. That's ruins it. That's the big thing about macaroni, not to overcook it.
So how long does this take?
Well, it should take, you know, about 7, 8, 10 minutes. Can't fry anything without oil. I don't care what they say about pans, that you can, it ruins the food. Plus it ruins the pan too. If you try to fry things in a no-stick pan with no, there it is. That's pretty close, we're not too far off here.
So you'll drain them and then put them in the pan and fry it?
Yeah, I gotta drain them. Drain them with a strainer over there by the sink. Then we'll dump them in here and heat the pan up a little, get kind of hot. Dump them in there and fry them, and when they're fried as much as you like, then we'll put the scrambled eggs and we'll put some bacon in there. Cut up bacon or ham chunks, which either one. Yeah, I think that's probably done enough. So you can see they're just about double the size. That's about what happens. So that's ready.
So you put it on high?
Yep. Gotta have pretty, it gets pretty hot. Otherwise it's gonna soak up the grease. See, when those little ones start, the grease starts getting hot around them and it's got bubbling in it. Time to throw the other ones in there. You can see it's gurgling next to one of those already.
So is this something that your mother taught you?
Pardon?
Is this something that your mother taught you?
Yep, she made that at home. We loved it. You know, we never had meat on the farm, of course, because we always had it on Fridays. Usually. See, now that's ready for the rest of it now. It's pretty hot. Oops. We gotta put a little salt on there, as much as you like. Brown it, and we'll get the bacon out here and get some bacon off. I have a kitchen shears I use for that. think we'll put in one more piece. You like a lot of bacon? Alright, we'll put in 2 more then. And I'll crack the eggs in here.
Oh, so you're cracking them over there?
But generally, 2 eggs per cup of macaroni seems to be pretty good. Oh, that's frying pretty good already. Oh yeah. Nice and brown there. That's pretty good. Now, get the other side like that and we're ready for the egg. And now we're ready for the egg. Spread those out. That'll get mixed all over. Turn the heat down. Yeah, I like mine done with the eggs are still kind of soft.
Yeah.
That's the way you like it.
Yeah.
And just cut the heat right off. It's cooking pretty good already.
Wow. Well, it looks good.
Okay, to me that's done.
Wow. Pretty quick.
You ready to eat it?
Yeah.